We Little Nature Explorers joined on February 2nd to celebrate World Wetlands Day. We were invited by Nature Appreciation Club.
In this small celebration of wetlands, we invite you guys to join us on this journey.
Welcome to Siblings to Smile.
We are human, and humans explore all these aspects of nature. But there is one untouched beauty of nature, and we almost forgot about it. We celebrate ourselves, our birthdays, our special occasions and everything. But we forgot to celebrate which celebrates us, humans. Yes, the wetlands. Today, in February 2nd, we are here to explore more about wetlands. We arrived here in Jaffna, Thondamanaru to explore more about these wondrous wetlands.
What are wetlands? Wetlands are habitats that are categorized into the presence of water. Simply saying, it is a land full of marshes, swamps and saturated lands. These wetlands approximately cover 6% of the Earth's land surface. That's a lot, right? Beyond this aesthetic beauty of wetlands, it also performs various tasks behind the scenes. The benefits we get from wetlands are connected with water, food, livelihood, biodiversity, climate and even happiness. As a young generation like us, we have to prevent these wetlands, right? Not like this, guys. So we have to take action towards this amazing beauty of wetlands. Now let me explain why we celebrate Wetlands Day. It is a day to give voice to these wetlands.
So not only us, even the United Nations have identified all these benefits given by the wetland and allocated a day in the year for these wetlands. Yes, February 2nd. This is declared as the World Wetland Day till 2022, and the theme of Wetlands Day 2024 is Wetlands and Human Well-being.
As we wrap up our journey in Thondamanaru wetlands, don't forget to join our exploration squad, and until the next video, stay curious and keep exploring. This is Atmika and Shamant from Thondamanaru.